What is going on, FWR family? Welcome back to another episode of Four Wheeled Reviews, your one-stop shop to see the most incredible cars in all of the automotive land.
Right, guys, so today we're bringing you a very fantastic little treat from our good friend Trevino. He hit us up the other day, sent us an email saying he's got an amazing Kia Cerato coupe, and we couldn't wait. So we hit him up, we planned it, we organized it, and today we're going to give you a little treat.
This boy hisses like a dragon. So, man, this car is crazy. We really hope you guys enjoy, because heaven knows we enjoyed. Shout out to the boy Trevino. As always, links in the description below. If you guys want your car reviewed, hit us up, follow us on IG, sub to the channel, send us a message anywhere. We read it all, and we'll organize it and get you going. Enjoy.
What's up, guys? My name is Trevino and I'm excited to be doing this review today. This is a 2015 Kia Cerato Coupe 1.6 turbo, but it's not your average. So it's been a bit of a journey. I've owned the car for around 2 years now. It's stage 2, so I've got a downpipe, intake, full custom intake, software stage 2 file as well, done by Ultimate Performance in Edenvale. Go see Cheven, the oak is brilliant. I've also got a bigger intercooler as well as a dump valve. I think, yeah, that's about it for now.
Jeez, and what kind of power is it pushing?
So I last put it on the dyno at SR Speedworks. It made 160 kilowatts on the wheels and around 380 newtons. But since then I've done the custom intake, the bigger cooler, the dump valve, so it should be making a little bit more. I need to run it again on the dyno.
And what's next for the car?
So next is definitely the catback exhaust, and I'm thinking of water meth. And yeah, just to sort of make it a fun daily, because this is my daily, and yeah, it's pretty epic. I'm enjoying it.
This is going to be the ultimate sleeper. People don't expect the Kia to creep up on them, you know.
They don't, eh? And the other thing is these cars are so underrated as well. If I'm not mistaken, they stopped production 2018 or so, around there. So it's the last of it, and the coupes are pretty rare. You see a lot of, and no disrespect to other brands, you see a lot of Fiesta STs, you see a lot of S3s, you see a lot of Focus STs, but you don't really see this car as much.
Okay.
So yeah, and for the power it makes stock is pretty decent. It makes around 152 kilowatts on the flywheel stock. For a 1.6, that is quite impressive. So yeah.
That's very strong. Well, as always, thank you so much. All your links will be down in the bio, guys. My boy Trevino and his wife got the YouTube channel going. So we're going to link that below. Make sure you check them out, see what they're up to. Thank you so much for coming, my brother. Thank
My
you.
pleasure, my pleasure.
That's crazy. This is real spin as well. Jeez,